In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Classroom on your laptop efficiently and effectively, perfect for students and teachers alike. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to sign in. To get started, open up a web browser, any one you prefer like Chrome, Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Once your browser is open, head to the website classroom.google.com. This will take you to the main Google Classroom homepage. Here, you'll need to click the Sign In button. Log in using your Google account. It's important to use your school account if one is provided, as this will typically have the necessary permissions and classes set up by your institution. Now that you're logged in, it's time to join a class. In the top right corner of your Google Classroom dashboard, you'll see a plus button. Clicking on this gives you an option to join class. This is where you'll need the class code your teacher provided. It's usually a mix of letters and numbers. Enter this code and just like that, you'll be part of your classroom community. Once you've joined your class, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the different sections of Google Classroom. On the main page, you'll find several tabs: Stream, Classwork, People, and Grades. The Stream is your go-to for announcements and updates. Classwork is where you'll access assignments, quizzes, and study materials. The People tab allows you to see who's in your class, both classmates and teachers. And should your teacher choose to enable it, the Grades tab is where you'll keep track of your performance. One of the most important aspects of Google Classroom is submitting assignments. To do this, head over to the Classwork tab. Here, select the assignment you're working on and click View Assignment. You'll see an option to add or create. This makes it simple to upload files like Google Docs, slides, or even PDFs right from your computer. Once your work is ready and uploaded, click Turn In to submit it. This straightforward process ensures your assignments are in the hands of your teacher in no time. Lastly, communication is key, and Google Classroom makes it easy to interact with both your teacher and classmates. Use the stream to post comments if you're looking to participate in class discussions and engage with others. If you have specific questions concerning assignments, make use of the private comments feature. This allows you to ask your teacher directly without broadcasting your question to the entire class. And that wraps up our quick and easy guide to using Google Classroom on your laptop. With these steps, you're well on your way to navigating and utilizing this powerful tool to enhance your learning experience. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy learning.